Two streaming giants, millions of subscribers, endless titles, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Disney Plus, your destination for magical, family-friendly streaming. On the right, Amazon Prime Video, an all-in-one entertainment powerhouse with shopping perks to boot. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, before we get nitty-gritty, here's the mind map. Think of it as our roadmap for this showdown. So, we're comparing these two on price and value, content library and variety, family and parental controls, video and audio quality, global reach and accessibility, plus features and user experience. Got all that? All right, let's go category by category. All right, kicking things off with price and value. So, Disney Plus, you're looking at an ad-free plan for $13.99 a month. And oh, there's the bundle, right? It's actually solid, with Hulu and ESPN Plus jammed in for $24.99. Good value if you want the works. But, I mean, there's no extra shopping perks or anything. And honestly, kind of pricey compared to some other platforms. Now, Amazon Prime Video. It's included in the full Prime membership, which is $14.99 a month. And that, my friends, gets you not only all the shows and movies, but also, free shipping, music, and all those exclusive deals. If you're a student, it drops down to $7.49. But heads up, if you only want the video and nothing else, it's not really cheap. But come on, all those bundled perks? That's just wild. So for price and value, Prime Video takes this one. No contest. Next up is the content library and variety. Disney Plus, it's like a treasure chest if you're into Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, or National Geographic. Super curated, totally on brand, and everything feels connected. But you know what? After you've plowed through the big franchises, it can start to feel a little limited. There's not as much genre diversity or international stuff happening. Flip to Prime Video and, dude, it's massive. Literally 5 times bigger than Disney Plus in 2025. Blockbusters, indie films, documentaries, live sports, the list goes on and on. Plus, you can rent or buy the newest releases if you're impatient. The only catch? The interface can be all over the place. Sometimes you're just like, where do I even start? But honestly, just on sheer variety, Prime Video absolutely crushes this category. Let's talk family and parental controls. Big deal if you have kids or just want to keep things chill. Disney Plus is honestly like parental control heaven. They've got a super kid-friendly interface, pretty robust controls, and Group Watch if you want to stream on up to 7 devices with family. It's easy to stick in the Disney lane and never see anything sketchy. On the flip side, it's not really built for edgy adult content. Now, Prime Video. There are some parental controls, and yes, there's stuff for families too, but the catalog leans a bit mature. Thrillers, horror, all that. So, not as robust for keeping little ones out of trouble. For family vibes, Disney Plus wins this hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Disney Plus only launched in late 2019, but by 2025, Prime Video's content library is literally 5 times bigger? That's nuts! Anyway, back to our main event. All right, video and audio quality. If you're nerdy about resolution, this one matters. Disney Plus delivers 4K, HDR, Dolby Vision, and even IMAX enhanced for some Marvel titles. But, gotta say, you only get those top features with the ad-free or premium plan. Prime Video? Pretty sweet. You get 4K, HDR, and Dolby Atmos across loads of titles at no extra cost. Consistency is key, though some of the older stuff is just HD. So, between these two, it's honestly a tie. They both look and sound awesome if you're watching their best stuff. Zooming out globally, who's got reach? Disney Plus is making big moves in Asia and Europe, with localizations and dubs, plus some new local storytelling deals happening in 2025. But yeah, some restrictions still exist, so it's not perfect. Prime Video, meanwhile, is everywhere. Deep into emerging markets and huge for multi-language viewers. Only thing is, the catalog can change a ton depending on where you live. So overall, this one's another tie. On to features and user experience. This is where it gets a little quirky. Disney Plus has an interface that's super easy to use, organized by those iconic collections like Marvel and Pixar. Streaming is rock solid, hardly any bugs. If I had to nitpick, I'd say the recommendation algorithm isn't exactly futuristic. But hey, You always know where you are. Prime Video, though, is super smart with discovery and lightning-fast recommendations. Plus, all those integrations with shopping and voice assistants. But let's be real. The UI? It's kinda cluttered and feels more like browsing Amazon than a streaming platform sometimes. For clarity and ease, gotta give it to Disney Plus here. All right, let's quickly map out the scores. Check out how they stack up on all 6 categories. Some clear wins, a couple ties. It's a pretty interesting spread. So here's the honest take. If you're all about family nights, safe browsing for the kids, or just obsessed with Disney franchises, Disney Plus is the ultimate pick. It's curated, safe, looks gorgeous. You really can't go wrong. But if you want the wildest variety, all those extra Prime perks, and just want one subscription to rule them all, from ultra-violent blockbusters to shopping discounts, Prime Video is the move. Depends on what you value more, but hey, I'm leaning a bit towards Prime for pure versatility. All right, if you enjoyed this quick streaming showdown, definitely bookmark us for your next binge debate. Got more platforms you want to see go head-to-head? Drop your suggestions, and yeah, happy